Hi everybody, welcome back to Bonsai Down Under. This is part 2 of the Ficus Forest restoration, makeover, what you want to call it there. Now what I've done in advance is I've prepared this bottom part, and it's I've got this idea so I could create some different walls and things like that. I've wired in these pieces of plastic in here. So that's where I'm basically going to form my walls and stuff, and then put the plants. Basically, the ficuses are going to go in those little certs there like that. That's where the plants will be. So that'll create like a wall there. So and it might contain the roots and then make it a lot easier too if I want to remove it out of there to check the roots out and that. So all right, so today we're going to create we're going to start creating our landscape, and we've got over here, I'll just point over, we've got a heap of rocks over here, all different sorts of rocks, and we've got some really small pebbles there. So, and we've got our muck in our bucket over here. So I've just made the camera nice and close for you there, so you can sort of see what's going on, what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, all right. So you're really not going to see me, but you'll see what I'm going to be actually doing here. So we'll give you a proper look at it later on. What we're going to do is we're going to start introducing some soil into here. All right, we're putting the muck in here. Just pound it in there. So, you know, this is probably going to take a little while, this process, but that's the fun of it. It's creating. Take your time. Enjoy the process of what you're doing. Alright, so what I'm going to do is maybe like we'll get some rocks along the way, and we're going to put some rocks in places where I think maybe, you know, they'll stand out a bit. We'll add a little bit more muck in there. You know, we'll add some more rocks in here. A little rock in there. Maybe something. That type of rock. We want something, or maybe like a bit smaller in there, tucked away in there. Alright, so then we just keep on going around here. Maybe put a rock in there, maybe something, we want something not so big in here. Just another rock in here maybe. And just add a little bit more underneath it. So that's what the process will be like. We're basically just building it up. Getting a bit more of a difference in the foundation. We'll do this other side here a little bit. Work on this side a little bit. I wanted maybe just a bit of a different terrain difference. You know, it's gonna be a bit of a process to do it, but I'll keep working at this for a while, and then what I'll do is I'll give you a bit of another bit of a look later on down the track. Save me just keep, because this is probably going to take a while to do, so I'm just going to sort of just keep working at it here, and then we'll and I'll give you a look later again. Alright. Right guys, we've started, and we've done a little bit of inside work here. I just put this up on a lean a little bit so you can see it. So this is sort of going to be like a the base level, and then we're going to fill in these where the plants are going to go, but then we're going to build another wall up there so we get that different terrain texture. And down here, like I said, we've got like a little dry creek sort of thing, and I'm going to put a little bridge in there across that, maybe a little arch bridge or something like that, and then we'll put some plants up in here. These are the levels up here they're going to have where the track will sort of, so it just sort of looks like a little stepping through there with between the trees. Yeah, so we're getting there started. So we'll probably just next I will pack in here a little bit more, and then we'll sort of get these plants in tonight. So, and I think that'll be all we'll probably do tonight with this. It's just to get the plants in, and then the next stage we'll finish off some more landscaping and stuff like that, and put some sedum in and stuff like that, and some pebbles in where we need to have it. Yeah, so it's coming along a little bit. So anyway, it's a work in progress. Okay, so I'll just keep at it, and we'll, until we get to the stage where we can get the plants put in for you. All right, so that's our next bit. Alright guys, we've made some progress on this now. It's starting to get a bit of shape to it. We got some different leveling there happening now. So yeah, we've built this right up, and we've got some different terrain heights and stuff like that. So the plants are going to go. There's going to be one in here. We're going to put one in here, maybe two in there. Maybe we'll get, and we'll maybe get two in there. And then maybe another 1, 2, 3 at the back here, somewhere like that. And then you sort of got this little walkway thing coming through the middle here. We'll throw some sedum in the walls and stuff like that, and then we'll get that little bridge across the front here. So yeah, it's actually coming together, not too bad. So we're just going to build this side up now and get a little bit of height difference there happening. So those plastic inserts have really helped me out a lot. I think that was a really good thing to do. It worked out good. So we'll just build this up to the height of this top one here again. That's what I do, and then put the put the potting mix in there, we do, and then I grab a little bit of this muck now. So now we'll get the muck, and we'll make maybe another little ledging through here. So we went through here, so and this one went back through here. So what I might do is do like a little ledging through here. So you know, you get it in there, work it in, so it's like a little cliff face thing, a bit higher, and then we'll get another one through here. This one here I'm gonna work this one into this one over here, so we'll get that mold, get it to mold into that shape there. Alright, so then we'll stick a tree in here. As you can sort of see what I'm talking about, what I'm sort of getting at. It just changes those terrain levels. This one here, we'll just mould it around up onto this hill here a little bit. So we may put a few, we can put a few rocks in here now, something different, up in that wall there a little bit. Mould those in. You can sit them in there and then just get them to mould in around there. We build this front up here a little bit more. Get it to maybe sort of pop out a little bit more as in the height. just going to sort of go through now and just sort of look at it and see where we might be able to maybe put some other bits in there, just to build up, just to make it a little bit more. Maybe over here, I'd like to build that up a bit higher up and make it a bit like a wall. Looks like it needs a little bit in there. So I don't want it to all look the same as in the heights of the walls and stuff. So you want to have a little bit of low points and stuff, because you don't want it to look like just like a plain brick wall. You want it to look like it's a part of a hill or something, you know, carved out of a mountain or something, you know. Like make it look natural, try to make it look as natural as possible. We're nearly out of the muck here, so, but that's pretty good because it was a good amount that I needed. So this isn't too bad now. I'm looking at this. I might just bring this bit here a little higher up, make it protrude out a little bit more. And so it looks a bit like a valley that you're going to walk down through, sort of thing. It's right, so all these rocks are sort of like, you know, they're sort of popped in there. I might just put them, as I said, then we're going to just put maybe some sand in here later. But I think for now, what we'll do is we're going to get the plants in. We'll get the plants in, and then what I'm going to do is I'll give you another view. I mean, this took a little while for me to do. Like I said, I've only just been filming for a little bit with this. So all right, our next step. Okay guys, I've got the trees in now, so we're just going to put the trees in tonight. So today we just did the landscaping and that, and just got it started. So I'll just zoom in a bit closer there for you. So this area here at the front, see, that's where I'm going to put that little dry creek going through there, and you can see the different the levels of the terrain there now. So it's like little cliffy bits there, and so now the trees are basically just in there for now. I'm going to prune them back later when they get established a little bit more. So we'll just let them let the roots get stronger now, and then we'll look at maybe putting a few more trees in there. But yeah, and put some sedum in there along those walls and stuff like that, and then, you know, maybe just some sand in places too, just to make it compact down, maybe a bit, keep it in shape there. But yeah, I'm actually quite happy with how it's turned out there so far. And the trees now will be a lot healthier. They'll grow a new root system. So yeah, so that's it for today. Yeah, we've done a fair bit there. So all I wanted to do basically is get that landscape out and get the trees in tonight. And so part 3 to this probably will be just finishing it off and just putting some more, putting some sedum in, some little bits of greenery in there and that, and yeah, just check out where the rocks are and that. I've just got these rocks up the top here at the moment, just near the trees, just to support them a little bit and put a bit more weight there. But yeah, it's all fresh again, and we'll just let this grow out again now, and just keep maintaining our landscape there too. Just keep an eye on it, and we'll give it a good water and everything like that now, and just let it settle in for a while. All right, so I hope you enjoyed what I've showed you there, and I wasn't gonna film the whole thing because it's gonna take quite a while. It took quite a while to do. So yeah, it's a start now anyway, and I think it looks a lot better with a little bit more difference in the terrain and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Bonsai Down Under with part 3 of this Ficus remake. All right, so everybody take care, and I'll catch up with you later on. I didn't actually show my face much today, but yeah, it was just more about the to give you a look at the landscaping and stuff like that, and to give you a look at the overall look of the whole thing when it was finished. The trees in there, so like, yeah, we're going to put some more trees in, so it'll and once it starts to grow again, we'll give these a bit of a prune down, and the shaping again. All right, bye for now, and thanks for those who have watched, and if you like, subscribe or share it to somebody else. All right, bye for now.